So guys, welcome back to Shane Gaming. Today we're going to be playing Toca Kitchen 2. Okay, so we're going to do him. Yeah. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so we're going to try and make him disgusted. So I don't know what that is. I think it's rice. So you're going to need raw chicken. You're going to need some raw steak. Oh, wait. Now you have to, you do not want to cook this. Oh my gosh. Right here. And broccoli, because he doesn't like broccoli. At the end, you're going to have to add some onions, but we don't have space. So we're going to take our broccoli, and we're going to juice it. Because that's fun. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to juice the mushroom. And now we're going to get the raw fish in here. Oh, that looks disgusting. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our broccoli in here, and then we're going to juice that. Oh my gosh, that looks just so good. Then we're going to get our onions, and we're going to put some onions in there. Oh my gosh, that's so disgusting. Then we're going to put some raw meat, raw steak. Oh man, it's just dark red. Then we're going to put this. This is really disgusting. It's blue, and then when you boil it or cut it up, it's green. It's kind of weird. So we're just going to put a bunch of sauces on here. So I used up everything. Okay. So I'm going to put all these seasonings on. So it's going to take a while, so I'm just going to skip. Okay, guys, and for the final touch, we're going to put some hot sauce. A lot of it. Okay, now let's see what he's like. Yes, we did it! Now you have to drink it all up. Yeah. Oh, okay. If you want to make this guy pass out, you might want to use all those ingredients. Now, I'm going to actually make him a normal meal. Let's get him some bread and some steak. I really don't know what I'm doing, but let's boil some bread. Oh, yeah. I really don't know what that... Boiling some bread. Okay, yeah, we're going to have some deep-fried bread. Put some salt, lots of salt, and some pepper, and then some steak, and then some ketchup, and then some of this, and some of this. Okay. Yeah, well, he might like this. Wait, he actually likes that? We're going to cook him one final meal. It's going to be the shrimp. You might not like shrimp, but I think you're supposed to boil it. Okay. Other people don't like this. Let's just show this guy. He doesn't like it. Okay, we're still waiting. See, look. See, he doesn't like it. Did I just lose it? Oh, okay, good. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop it up, and let's see what's inside. Whoa! What is that? Okay. There we go. That's perfect. Now we're gonna deep fry them. Now we're gonna add some salt. This is actually some finesse cooking. Wow. This guy's just, yeah, just, you don't burp. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos. And, yeah, see you next time.